enclosed 3D printers provide a controlled printing environment that helps improve print quality, reduce warping, and maintain consistent temperatures for demanding materials. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or professional, the best enclosed 3D printers offer enhanced safety, quieter operation, and reliable performance for creating high-quality models and prototypes. Starting at number 1. QIDI Technology High-End 3D Printer X-Maker. The QIDI Technology X-Maker is a high-end, enclosed 3D printer designed for home and educational use. It supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, TPU, and PETG, and features a compact build volume of 170 by 150 by 160 mm, making it ideal for school projects and hobbyists. The printer operates quietly thanks to an upgraded main control system and air circulation function, ensuring a comfortable printing environment. It comes with exclusive educational software and a special textbook to help beginners learn 3D printing effectively. Backed by one-to-one QIDI tech support with responses within 24 hours and a free 6-month warranty, the X-Maker provides a reliable and user-friendly 3D printing experience for both students and home users. Number 2. Monoprice Maker Ultimate 2 3D Printer. The Monoprice Maker Ultimate 2 is a fully enclosed 3D printer designed for reliable and precise printing with materials like ABS and ASA. It features a heated and removable glass build plate, providing a flat surface that ensures flawless first layers and improved adhesion. The printer includes an auto bed leveling system with a built-in inductive sensor, eliminating manual adjustments and ensuring optimal print quality from the start. A built-in filament detector pauses prints when the spool runs out, allowing you to replace filament without ruining your project. Internal LED lighting makes it easy to monitor prints inside the enclosure, which also helps maintain stable temperatures and prevents issues like warping caused by drafts or environmental changes. With its compact design, robust features, and factory pre-leveled setup, the Maker Ultimate 2 is ideal for both beginners and experienced users seeking consistent, high-quality 3D prints. Number 3. FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro. The FlashForge Creator Pro is a durable and versatile dual extruder 3D printer designed for hobbyists, educators, and makers who want reliable multi-material printing. Built with a sturdy metal frame and enclosed acrylic covers, it provides excellent stability and temperature control, especially when printing with ABS and PLA filaments. Its aviation-grade aluminum build plate ensures a flat, warp-resistant printing surface, while the dual extruder system allows users to create two-color models or use dissolvable support materials for more complex designs. The printer supports a wide range of filament types, including PETG, TPU, PVA, HIPS, wood-filled, metal-filled, and flexible materials, making it suitable for a variety of creative and engineering projects. Its enclosed chamber helps reduce warping and improves print quality, while FlashForge's warranty and technical support add extra reliability for both beginners and experienced users. Number 4. FlashForge Adventurer 3 Lite FDM 3D Printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 Lite is a compact FDM 3D printer ideal for beginners in home use. It offers a build volume of 150 by 150 by 150 mm and a layer resolution of 0.1 to 0.4 mm, allowing for detailed and precise prints. The printer supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, Pearl PLA, color-changing PLA, metal-filled, wood-filled, and high-speed PLA, giving users flexibility for creative projects. Its print bed heats up to 100 degrees Celsius, improving adhesion for different materials. With its small footprint, user-friendly design, and compatibility with multiple filaments, the Adventurer 3 Lite provides an accessible and versatile 3D printing experience for hobbyists, students, and educators. Number 5. Dremel Digilab 3D20 3D Printer. The Dremel Digilab 3D20 is a beginner-friendly 3D printer designed for hobbyists, students, and makers who want a safe and reliable introduction to 3D printing. It comes fully assembled and includes a 0.5 kg spool of PLA filament, allowing users to start printing right out of the box. Its fully enclosed design, non-heated build plate, and PLA-only operation provide enhanced safety, making it particularly suitable for classrooms, homes, and educational environments. The printer offers a build volume of up to 230 by 150 by 140 mm and can print with layer resolutions as fine as 100 microns for detailed results. Compatible with Dremel Digilab slicer software based on Cura, the 3D20 combines ease of use with dependable performance, while Dremel's customer support and 1-year warranty add extra peace of mind for beginners and hobbyists alike.